Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when you have the ear cup here with the buttons here, when the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so let's manually put this in pairing mode first. The headphones are currently off. Let me turn these off here. The middle button here is the power on off button. Let me press and hold. Just wait till it turns off. Okay, it just turned off. Now the headphones are off. Now next I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold that power button. I'm keep holding and just wait until it starts blinking blue here. We got to wait about 5 seconds or so. We'll do it together. Okay, headphones are off. Power button's here. Ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. It's blinking white now. Just keep holding. Wait for the blue. There it is. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our LG TV. Go directly to your settings. If you have a settings button on the remote, you can go that way. If not, you can navigate, go to the home page on your TV. Click on the home button on the remote and then just navigate to the settings. Mine's on the top left-hand side here. Settings right there. Okay that. And then from here, make sure all settings is highlighted in white up there. Go ahead and select that. Give it 1 second, it's moving here. Okay, from here we want to go down one to sound. Let's select that. Now from here we're going to go down to sound out. Currently it's coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these, so let's select sound out. Now we're going to go down to use wireless speaker. Select that. Select Bluetooth device. Now you can see I have a bunch of other headphones and earbuds already paired to this TV here, but you want to go down the very bottom. You should see a little spinny thing. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, about 30 feet Bluetooth or range or so. And it did find the Q20i headphones right there. So let me just highlight it and then OK it. Wait for it to connect here. Oh, I just heard the chime, the connecting chime, and you can see up there on Soundcore Q20i says it is connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.